Welcome to the tutorial on how to delete comment history on TikTok. TikTok is one of the most popular social media platforms today, allowing users to create, watch and comment on short video clips. However, if you have been using this app for a long time, you have likely left many comments on various posts. If you want to clear your comment history, this guide will show you how to do it in an easy way. Whether you want to remove individual comments or your entire history, this tutorial will guide you through the process, step by step. Let's get started. Open the TikTok application on your phone. Afterwards, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. The menu will open. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, click on the Comment and Watch History option. Then select Comment History by clicking here. So now, you can see all the comments you've left on different TikTok, basically your entire comment history. To delete a specific comment, tap on it, and it will take you to that comment. Simply tap and hold the comment. Select Delete, and then go back. By doing so, the specific comment will be deleted from your comment history. This is the only way to delete the comment history. As of right now, you just have to go through these comments and delete them one by one manually, and your comment history will be deleted from the account. That's it for this tutorial.